Mr. Quizler!
Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Mr. Quizler's channel, where we challenge your knowledge with fun and mind-blowing quizzes. Today, we're diving into the world of car brands, but with a twist. You have 30 questions and only 10 seconds to guess the brand behind each logo. Are you ready? From easy ones to tricky challenges, this is going to be a thrilling ride. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. Let's get started with the first set of logos. Good luck! Here's your first one, and I bet you all know this. The answer is Mercedes-Benz. Nothing screams class like this. Next up, an icon of performance. It's BMW, known for sheer driving pleasure. A perfect blend of design and performance. That's Audi, luxury and innovation combined. This is all about electric vibes. It's Tesla, revolutionizing the future of driving. A household favorite across the globe. That's Toyota, known for reliability. We've just started. Are you keeping up? Recognize this H? It's Honda, blending efficiency with performance. Time to guess an American classic. It's Ford, built tough and proud. Let's think German engineering. Volkswagen, the people's car. A rising star from Korea. It's Hyundai, redefining value. Recognize this sleek logo. It's Nissan, always innovating. Mr. Quizzle got you a bonus question. Which car brand features a logo with a 4-ring design? Time's up. The answer is Audi. 4 rings symbolizing unity and technology. Time for safety first. The answer is Volvo, champions of safety and design. Let's move on. An American legend on the roads. It's Chevrolet, iconic and powerful. You should spot the stars here. Guess this. It's Subaru, all about adventure and AWD. Think rugged and off-road. It's Jeep, built for adventure. It's luxury with a twist. Which brand is this? That's Lexus, premium in every way. Wow, look at you go. Make sure you like the video, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon and join the Quizler Army, a brand that's as tough as it gets. Mitsubishi, built to last and perform. This one is stylish and modern. It's Kia, delivering innovation. A touch of French flair. Renault, redefining style and comfort. Another French favorite, guess the brand. It's Peugeot, roaring with power. This is compact but iconic. It's Fiat, small cars with big style. Recognize these three diamonds? I am sure you know this one, but let us know the answer in the comment section below. With this, the medium round is over. Are you ready to rev up for the next one? A dream for many. It's Ferrari, speed and luxury inlands. One line, think James Bond. That's Aston Martin, elegance on wheels. Time for a speed demon, can you guess? It's McLaren, built for thrill. Think where luxury meets power. It's Bugatti, where speed knows no limits. Ready for a classic car brand? Porsche it is, the epitome of style and performance. This is your last stretch. Let's power through. You gotta feel the Italian vibes here. It's Maserati, pure elegance. Ah, just the sound. Zoom, zoom. It's Mazda, driving made fun. This is the pinnacle of luxury. It's Rolls-Royce, class beyond compare. Think muscle cars. It's Dodge, bold and powerful. Last question for this quiz challenge. This one is as a sleek Predator. It's Jaguar, luxury in motion. Before you count your score, here's a bonus question. This one's a classic and no-brainer. The prancing horse is Ferrari, a symbol of speed and luxury. That was quite the ride, wasn't it? Were you a beginner, a car enthusiast, or a turbo titan? If you had fun, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. Quizler for more awesome challenges. Until next time, keep your engines revving, stay sharp, and we'll see you on the next quiz.